In this video, you will learn the basics about data types in Excel. Knowing how data types work is crucial foundational knowledge in Excel, so please watch the video in full. Let's get started. Excel has four basic data types. They are text, number, logical, and error. Excel also introduced some other data types in 2018, including the stocks data type, and then after that a geographical data type. I won't be covering those two today, but in the future I may make a video about the stocks and geographical data type. Okay, let's dive in. The first data type we will look at is text. Text is basically a string of characters. This could be a string of letters like our first example, hello. It can also be numerical characters like in the second example. If you look at the formula bar at the top of the screen, you will see the numerical characters in this example are preceded by an apostrophe. This tells Excel to read these numerical characters as text. Text can also be a combination of letters and numerical characters, like in example 3 with hello 123. Finally, text can also be symbols like the $sign. A key thing to note is that text values are aligned to the left, which is the case with all four examples. The second data type we will look at is number. Numbers can be a whole number like 1000. It can also have decimals like 10.54. Numbers are aligned to the right. You can compare this to the numerical characters in the row above, which are left aligned since they are considered text by Excel, as discussed earlier. Finally, dates are actually stored in Excel as numbers. Hence, dates are aligned to the right also. The third data type we will look at is logical. Logical values are true and false, also known as Boolean values. True-false values are usually the result of logical expressions. For example, we have a value true here, which is the result of the logical expression 3 is less than 5. The next cell has the value false, since it is the result of the logical expression 3 is greater than 5. Boolean values are center aligned. The fourth data type is error. This data type is related to problems with formulas or functions. In the first error example, we have a divide by zero error, since a formula tried to divide a number by 0, which is undefined. The second example has a name error, since it tries to use the average formula without providing an argument. Please note that the error data type is center aligned as well. In this video, you learned about the four basic data types in Excel. This should give you a solid understanding of how data types can impact your spreadsheets. I hope this video has been useful to you. Please consider subscribing, as well as like and comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.